ng gas.
40,000.
Family ko, they use my cool ray to go to Bicol. Inabot sila ng mga 14,000 ng gas.
40,000.
Kasi, I think that was the time na 90 pesos per liter yung fuel. So, like they went through 3 full tanks ata, including yung mga gala nila. And naisip ko, siguro kung plug-in hybrid siya, let's say, yung mga offers ngayon na yung BYD Sea Lion 6, with the Geely na EX5 EMI that can go on a full charge na 1,000 kilometers. Siguro isang full tank lang siguro na gamit nila. Baka nakatipid talaga sila doon. So,
1/3 lang, estimate ko, cost dapat.
oo, yun. So, I think, papagas ka lang ng 4,000 pesos during that time and